Okay, so before we jump into this lesson, let's see if we remember how to write equations of lines, which means we need to look at the graph and be able to find the y-intercept and the slope, and then plug them into slope-intercept form. So the y-intercept of this graph is right here, where it crosses this y-axis. That's at +2. And the slope, they've given me 2 points. So looking at this slope, it's positive. So the numerator is how far up I go. That's 1, 2. The denominator is how far to the right I go. That's 1, 2, 3. So if I plug this into slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, I'm just going to replace m and b with their proper numbers. So y equals m is 2/3. Don't forget the x. And b is +2. So the equation of this line is y equals 2/3 x plus 2.